Now we're going to talk about chiropractic and the knee joint. The knee joint is one that a lot of people don't think about until it starts giving them problems, and it is especially not one that is regarded to be a pain area that chiropractic can help. But in reality, it's one that I like to work on because most of the time the decrease in pain is immediate. Let's not forget that the body gives you pain when something is wrong. So let's suppose you have a long-standing knee pain and you keep taking an anti-inflammatory or painkiller to stop the pain and continue to do activities. You could very well be causing irreversible damage to that joint by ignoring the pain that your body is telling you about. Even if it's a small amount of pain, by continuing to use the joint, you are increasing the chance of damage and inflammation. A lot of times, patients don't even know that they have a problem with their knee joint until someone touches it. When I do my challenge and I find pain in the joint, then I also look for misalignment that is causing that pain. If I don't find misalignment, then something organic is going on and needs to be addressed by a different medical professional. If I do find misalignment, then most of the time I can make a change that will bring that knee joint back to normal and help the patient regain functionality. Most often, the knee displays pain in 3 different areas. On the inside of the knee between the femur and the tibia, on the outside of the knee between the femur and the fibula, or underneath the kneecap. All of these areas can go from sore to incapacitating in a very short period of time. So if you have knee pain, whether it is inconsistent and infrequent or mild and bothersome, it is best to get it checked because long-standing pain means you are slowly destroying the joint. At Thrive Chiropractic, we use an activator gun on knee joints to make the precise changes required for correction. This procedure is not painless, but normally the discomfort lasts only for a few seconds. With just one appointment, we can tell if your painful knee is a chiropractic problem or not. Are you ready to thrive instead of just survive? Let's get started.